Hi, I'm Kathleen with Bonfe. If you're curious about Bonfe's membership plans, I'm here to explain how they work, the benefits, and why so many homeowners choose them. Membership plans are a way to keep your home's essential systems in top shape year-round while saving you money. Members get priority service, discounts, and regular maintenance, all for one low monthly fee. Membership benefits include 2 complimentary HVAC tune-ups a year, one for your heating system and one for your cooling system, priority scheduling for repairs, a 15% discount on all repairs and replacements, an additional free inspection of the system of your choosing, electrical, plumbing, or sewer, regular repair rates even during after-hours emergencies, and exclusive access to members-only offers and giveaways. Memberships make it easier to keep your home's essential systems well-maintained, reducing the chance of unexpected repairs. Members also receive discounts on repairs and installations, helping you manage costs and plan ahead. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Bonfe's membership plan options, visit bonfe.com/memberships.